Hi ladies, I'm Lisa with Fifty Fabulous and Frazzled, and today I will be talking about a supplement that has changed my life completely. So stay tuned. Hi ladies, thank you so much for watching my video. I'm Lisa with Fifty Fabulous and Frazzled, and today I am talking about a magnesium supplement that has changed my life completely. This product that I am using, that I am referring to, which is my friend, is Natural Calm. I have been using this product for probably about 6 months now, and it has been a lifesaver for me. Back within 5 to 6 months ago, when I first started using this product, I was struggling with severe constipation. I'd gone to the ER several times. I'd had so many struggles with it. It was horrible. It was terrifying. It was scary. I ended up having a colonoscopy, things like that, because I was like, what is going on here? I was eating healthy. I was exercising, I was drinking lots of water, but nothing was working. As I've gotten older, I have found that I struggle more with constipation than I ever have. And so it's scary, because what I had turned to was, a lot of times I would turn to a laxative. And they say that's the worst thing to do, is getting your body to where it's dependent upon laxatives in order to have bowel movement. So I know this is probably not a topic that everyone wants to talk about, but it is something I wanted to share because, like I said, it has helped me so much. I feel like a new person. Just when you know that your body is working properly. And so I found out about this through a group. I was doing research on severe constipation. Ladies, it had gotten so bad, I was taking Linzess, which is a prescription. It was not even working. I was taking the prunes. I was doing fiber, Miralax. I had doctors saying, just take it daily, triple the dose, keep doing this. Nothing was working. And so I got scared. I was like, what am I going to do? Am I going to depend on laxatives every day of my life? I mean, what is going to happen? And so when I finally did the research, it wasn't the medical field that helped me find this. It was going online and actually finding out where people had reviews on this and was talking about how it worked for them. And so that's what really caught my attention, because everyone kept saying, you need to do Natural Calm, try Natural Calm. And so I did research on it. I went to our health food store locally, grabbed some. It is a powder form, hopefully you can see here. And I started taking it. What it is it's magnesium citrate. It's 325 milligrams. 2 teaspoons is 325 milligrams per 2 teaspoons. It is vegan, is gluten-free. The flavor I have is cherry flavor. It is something that it says place the powder in a glass or a mug. You'll add 2 to 3 ounces of hot water. It will fizz, so it's almost like you're taking an Alka-Seltzer. It has that little fizzy, but the taste is a lot better. Please note that. I take that, put it in hot water, and then it says fill with warm or cold water and enjoy. And I do it. I do it every night. It says to start with a half of a teaspoon, and then you can increase up. I had gone up to about 1.5 teaspoons, and 2 teaspoons is to the max. So I'd gone to 1.5 teaspoons and had gotten it. They said you'll know at what level you need to stop, because your bowel movement will become more normal. And so I knew at about 1.5 teaspoons I was having normal bowel movements. So I stayed there for a while. Then I found that I could go down on it. So now I'm back to the half of a teaspoon, just like where I started. And so I take this daily. Now, there are so many other benefits of this. And like I said, I'm not here. They're not paying me to promote this in any way, ladies. This is just something that I have dealt with. This has helped me tremendously. But not only has it helped with constipation, if you look at it, it says it's an anti-stress drink. This product here, I take it in the evening, right before I go to bed, about 20-30 minutes before I go to bed. The reason I do that is when I take it, I feel sleepy, I feel calm. If I'm stressed, next thing you know, I'm calm, like nobody's business. I don't take a lot of medications like Xanax or any of those like that, but the times that I have taken it, I almost felt like I was taking something like that. I mean, that's how it made me feel, very relaxed, very calm. And so that's the reason I take it in the evening, is because it does make me feel sleepy. It is, like I said, an anti-stress, and it says that you can divide the dose throughout the day if you want, and especially at times, I have mood swings, PMS, right before my period, 3 to 5 days before my period, and this has helped me tremendously for that. I will tell you ladies, and my husband would probably say the same, we do not run out of this stuff. And I will actually take not even a half of a teaspoon. I'll take a quarter of a teaspoon, drink a little bit of it that morning. I'll have a little bit at noon, and then in the evening. Now this is only right while I'm PMSing, when I'm feeling my mood and I'm feeling really stressed out and things are, pissing me off. This is when I will drink on this throughout the day, and it helps so much. The rest of the time I don't have to worry about it. I just use it at night. It helps with, the stress levels. It helps with constipation. Also, magnesium is known to help for migraines, and I have talked about this in other videos before, but I suffer from migraines, and I have found when I use this, it helps a lot with my migraines. It goes from, if I have to take 5 tablets within a 5-day period, I have cut that in half because I am using the magnesium, the natural calm here. So not only does it help with the constipation and the stress and the PMS and the mood swings, it also has helped with my migraines. Another thing that magnesium helps with is insomnia. And so I've even had my husband who struggles from insomnia. I've had him take this. I take this. This helps a lot. And it has to do with the calming. It has like a natural relaxant to it. And so it also helps with insomnia. So a lot of people have taken this for insomnia reasons only, not for the other reasons like I have to take it. Another thing that a lot of people have talked about is like muscle cramps. It's a natural muscle relaxant. So if you start doing research on this magnesium, it's crazy how it affects our body in so many ways. And we're thinking, magnesium, well, what's the big deal? Why do I need magnesium? We don't even think about magnesium. But when you start doing research on how it affects our muscles, our stress levels, like for me, our gut health, I mean, all of that is affected. And so when I have started using this, it has helped with all of that. So I can say it's helped with my constipation. It's helped with my stress. It's helped with my PMS and my mood swings. It's helped with my migraines. It's helped with muscle cramps, especially after exercising, muscle soreness, any type of muscle cramps. And it's helped with insomnia. So I wanted to share with you ladies, this is an amazing product. It's something that I am going to continue to use as long as it's working for me. Thankfully, I am using it. And it, like I said, it's been a lifesaver for me. I wanted to share with you ladies. Sorry, not everyone talks about constipation and poop, but guess what? Somebody has to, and I wanted to. So I wanted to share this with you. I hope you ladies have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.